In this video, I'll give you a clear and straightforward introduction to the Adobe Illustrator interface and its menu system, so you can start creating and working on your projects with ease. When you first open Adobe Illustrator, you'll see a home screen. Here, you can either create a new document using pre-made templates or open an existing file you've worked on. To start fresh, click New File. This will take you to the New Document Setup menu, where you can choose a template or create your own custom settings. For instance, if you're designing for a screen, you might set the dimensions to 1920 by 1080 pixels. You can also change the units of measurement like points, picas, inches, feet and inches, yards, millimeters, centimeters, or add meters if needed. If you're not sure about color modes or PPI, don't worry. For most screen designs, the default settings work fine. Once everything is set, click Create, and your new document will open. Now let's explore the user interface. At the top, you'll find menus that give access to most tools and features. Right below, there's a control bar with shortcuts for frequently used options like stroke, fill, and alignment. If this bar isn't visible, you can enable it by going to Window and then check the control option. On the left, there's the toolbar. By default, Illustrator starts with a basic set of tools, but I recommend switching to the Advanced toolbar by going to Window, then Toolbars, and select Advanced. This gives you access to more tools. Some tools have additional options nested within them. Just hold your mouse down or right-click to see these. If you ever have trouble finding a tool, use the icon with 3 dots at the bottom of the toolbar. This opens a list of all available tools. The toolbar can also be undocked and moved around for convenience. Drag it back to the edge of the screen to dock it again when you're done. On the right side of the screen, you'll find window menus like Color, Stroke, and Align. These menus are often collapsed by default, but you can expand them by clicking the small arrow at the top. If you need more menus, go to the Window menu at the top and enable the ones you need. You can dock or undock these menus as per your workflow. Many menus like Color or Stroke have extra options hidden by default. To access these, click the menu icon in the corner and select Show Options. This will unlock more advanced settings, like HSB values or hex codes for colors. Now let's talk about the artboard. Your artboard is the white area in the center of your screen, representing the printable or exportable section of your document. The gray space around it can be used temporarily for organizing elements that won't be included in the final output. To resize the artboard, select the Artboard tool. Shortcut is Shift+O, and use the scaling handles or enter precise dimensions in the control bar at the top. Moreover, you can also select preset sizes here at the top. For further customization, you can press Enter while in the Artboard tool to access advanced settings. I hope this video helps you get started with Adobe Illustrator and makes the interface easier to navigate. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.